Welcome back for today's session. Yesterday I have given you one assignment, but a few of you were saying that the photo was not clear. So I'm just giving you the solution. You kindly go through the questions carefully today. And once again, I will set the photo for you people. Don't worry about that. But still, you see, I'm giving you the hints to solve these equations. You please check the order, maybe different in that photo. So I'm solving like it was there a raised to the power 4 and x raised to the power 12. So I'm taking it as 1. You please check the order accordingly, whatever I have given to you, but these 5 only were the questions there. So how to factorize this? I told yesterday that you keep a watch upon your degrees. In if you'll take a with a and x with x, so least degree of a you can take common. Similarly of this, then what happens? Inside the bracket, you need to divide that. So you're left with a raised to the 12 minus 4 is what? 8. 12 raised a raised to the power 8 minus similarly x raised to the power 8. Keep on moving stepwise, nothing to worry. Then I can't do anything with this. And here you use this bracket because a raised to the power 8 I can express in terms of a 4 whole square. 4 2s are 8. Laws of exponent. Similarly x also. What I am trying to do? I am trying to convert these in terms of identities which I know, which I have done beforehand. So this is a square minus b square. I'm trying to bring it. So then again now apply that identity here. A square minus b square is what? A minus b into a plus b. What is a? A raised to the power 4 plus x raised to the power 4. And then it is a raised to the power 4 minus x raised to the power 4. Now keep a watch upon this step also. Again you see that this part can be factorized. It can be again change in the form of a square minus b square. So go for that. A4 x4. I can't do anything with this. Write it as it is up to the last. Nothing to do because no identity I have done belonging to this. Here you can use now curly bracket and write this a raised to the power 4 in terms of a square whole square minus x square whole square, and close the curly bracket and then the square bracket. So now again you see this is lying in the form of a square minus b square, where a is a square and b is x square. So what happens? A raised to the power 4, x raised to the power 4. Here I am getting a raised to the power 4 plus x raised to the power 4. And here now I can go for a minus b into a plus b. That is a square minus x square into a square plus x square, and close this bracket. Now again you see nothing can be done with this, nothing can be done with this. But this again can be factorized in term of a minus x into a plus x. So that is the part which you have to pay attention while you are solving such questions. This question was asked in examinations in section D, somewhere. So please pay attention to that, which you just cannot factorize. Write as it is. A raised to the power 4, x raised to the power 4, a square plus x square, and this you can split, so write it a minus x into a plus x. So here you can leave your answer. This is the simplified form, or now this expression is factorized. So please pay attention. If photo was not clear, make a note of all these questions and check the solution when you are trying all these at your home. Then second question was simplify a plus b plus c whole square, a plus b plus c whole square, and minus a minus b plus c whole square. One option with you is either you expand it a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus bc plus ca. That was the identity. Otherwise, what I will do is I will take it as x and I will take all these three as y, and again I will be using the identity of x square minus y square, that is a plus b into a minus b. So what I will use, a plus b plus c curly bracket plus a minus b plus c. So this is your a plus b into a minus b. So again it is a plus b plus c minus a minus b plus c, and I will close it. So a square minus b square, where a is a plus b plus c and b is a minus b plus c. So this becomes x square, this becomes y square, which is equal to x plus y into x minus y, where x is a plus b plus c and y is a minus b plus c. Simply I have to substitute here. So then when you solve all these brackets, now you know here to use the sign. This is a plus b plus c, plus is there outside, no need to change the sign anywhere, and this will be the solution for this. Then similarly here it is a plus b plus c, but here negative sign is there, change the signs, plus b minus c. So what happens, whatever is possible to cancel, please go for that. Here you can cancel a with a. A plus a is 2a and c plus c is 2c. So 2a plus 2c is there, and c also you can cancel there. So b plus b into 2b I am getting. Finally what you can do is 2 also you can take out. So here you will be left with a plus c into 2 into 2b. So 2 2s are 4b. You can leave your answer here. 4b into a plus c will be the answer for this. So in that way you can check. And then it was number 3 somewhere was factorize your 2x minus 5y whole cube minus 2x plus 5y whole cube. Now this also you can expand either in terms of a minus b whole cube or a plus b whole cube, and then take the difference of those two. But again what I will be using here, I am suppose taking it as a and taking it as b. So I will be using the identity of what, a cube minus b cube, which I told is always equal to what, a minus b into a square plus b square plus ab, to write the factor of this. So now I need to remember what is a, that is 2x minus 5y, what is b, 2x plus 5y. Simply I will be putting here in this. So a minus b means 2x minus 5y minus 2x plus 5y, that is a minus b. Now into a square. A square means what, 2x minus 5y square, plus b square means what, 2x plus 5y whole square, plus ab means what, 2x minus 5y into 2x plus 5y, and close the bracket. Now you can solve it. 2x minus 5y minus 2x minus 5y. So you can cancel it up. Here you know this is a minus b whole square means a square plus b square. 4x square plus 25y square. 2 2s are 4, 5s are 20. So that will be minus 20xy. Similarly for this you will be getting 4x square y plus 25y square, and then it is here plus, so plus 20xy will be there. And then these two are solved now. You can keep these in this side. And a minus b into a plus b again is what, a square minus b square. So plus 4x square minus 25y square minus 25y square, and then you close this bracket. So here what you can do is 20xy and 20xy is gone. So then finally here you are left with minus 10y and into 4x square plus y square. If you want to cancel again 25y square and 25y square, you can cancel here. So 4 plus 4 plus 4 is your 12x square, and 25 is left here plus your 25y square there. So here you can leave your answer, minus 10y into 12x square plus 25y square. So if you finally write down minus 120x square y and minus 250 y cube, 250 y cube. So there you can leave your answer here. So that is the solution for this. And then it was number 4 was to factorize 27a cube then it was plus 1 upon 64b cube, then it was 27a square upon 4b plus 9a upon 4b square. So remember, I told 1, 2, 3, 4 are there. Out of these 4, 2 are the perfect cube. One I am getting is of 3a whole cube. And this I am getting is 1 upon 4b whole cube. These two are the perfect cubes. Plus 3a square b and 3ab square. Now I know what is a and what is b. So if you put the value of a, suppose I am putting it. This is just from your checking point of view. You need not to add to it. Need not to add it to your answer. Simply, if I put the value of a, what happens? This will become 9a square, and b is here, so 1 upon 4b. Now you check. 3 nines are 27a square upon 4b. Automatically it will be there. Similarly, if you put here, it will be equal to 9a upon 4b square. So my point of discussion with you is, once you have checked out what is a, so simply you have to write that is the whole cube of 3a upon 1 plus 4b. Once a is there, b is there, so these are the four terms, always lying in the form of a plus b whole cube. So a factorized form will be 3a plus 1 upon 4b, 3a plus 1 upon 4b, and again 3a plus 1 upon 4b. So in that way you can write it in its factorized form. So that is the solution for your fourth. Then last fifth question was factorize 9 number 5 minus 2 under root 3 x minus x square and upon 3 minus x square. Better you keep it inside the bracket. Somewhere if you pay attention here, you can think about, suppose I'm arranging it x square minus x square, then it is minus 2 root 3x, or it is plus 9. If you look from the factorization point of view, suppose I'm taking minus sign common over there, and then it becomes x square plus 2 root 3x minus 9, just to make my calculation easier. Only from that point of view I'm speaking. So what you can do is, now you can think somewhere about that middle term splitting. If I multiply the coefficient of x square and this, I will be getting 9. So 9 factors are what? 3 and 3. So but I need in terms of under root, so I can think that under root 3 into under root 3. Under root 3 into under root 3, like this will help me to get 2 under root 3 somewhere. Is it or not? Definitely I will be getting what? If I'll take, so 2 under root 3, and under root 3 into under root 3 is equal to what? 3. So that you need to pay attention there. Somewhere this is 9 minus 2 root 3 x minus x square upon 3 minus x square. So while you are just doing this, you can think about your middle term splitting. Otherwise, this is in third form, you have not done ever before. So some another solution is also possible that you will be doing in class 10, particularly by using the quadratic formula, because this equation we are saying is the quadratic, and the coefficient of x square is a, coefficient of x is b, and then this is the constant term that we are taking c, and then we are using that formula. But here from the calculation point of view, if you think, so you can think about these two. But my point is, here when I am getting a root 3 and root 3 is not going to solve my purpose by middle term splitting. Okay, root 3 and root 3, if I take minus minus, that will give me minus 2 root 3, fine. But what happens? Product will be equal to 3 when same sides will be multiplied, so result will be the number itself only, that is 3. So I need the product is equal to 9. Then what to do? Means ki my addition is failing. So I can think about the subtraction. Only same sides can be added or subtracted. So this pair I can take in that way also, 3 root 3 and root 3. Because if sum is there, so root 3 and root 3 will make it 2 root 3. If I'll speak from the difference point of view, definitely I have to speak out in terms of root 3 and root 3. So one I can take 3 root 3 and another I can take is root 3. So if you will subtract, so your difference will be equal to minus 2 root 3. So put minus with this and plus with this, and now you multiply these two, that will be equal to 9 definitely. So 3 root 3, and you are looking for that minus 9, so here it will be plus into minus is minus. So in that way you will be getting this. I hope that is clear to all. So please make a note of this, and finally then you can go for the answer. So how will you go then? If I'll take split it, so I will use this bracket, then I will say I have arranged it minus sign outside, x square plus 2 root 3x minus 9, and close it upon you write 3 minus x square only. So here with this minus sign in the numerator, use curly bracket, x square I am using minus 3 root 3x plus root 3x minus 9. Minus 9, use the curly bracket, this, and upon you can take is 3 minus x square. Minus 3 root 3 plus root 3 is equal to what? Now this is plus root 3. Your middle term, when you have taken minus, so this should be plus and this should be minus here, because minus already I have taken out. So if you are looking from this point of view, so middle term, whatever the sign is consisting, greater term always be consisting of that sign only. So this is minus root 3. Now minus is out. In first two only your x is common. So you will left with what? X plus 3 root 3. X plus 3 root 3 minus, here you need x only. You need x. So you take this minus root 3 common. If you will take minus root 3 common, here it will be x only, and this will be equal to plus 3 root 3. I will explain it to you how you will be getting this, and then close the curly bracket, square bracket, and upon you can write 3 minus x square. What happens when I have taken root 3 common here? I will divide root 3 by root 3. I left with x. As it is minus, so minus and minus will make it plus. Similarly, I have to do with this minus 9 when I will divide by minus root 3. So we did rationalization. If I will go for that, I will be getting this. So 9 root 3 and root 3 into root 3 will make it 3. So 3 3s are. I will be left with 3 root 3, because in middle term splitting, all of you know, whatever will be there in the first bracket, same will left in the second bracket. So again, do not forget to put this minus, and inside the brackets you are left with what? X plus 3 root 3 is common, and into x minus root 3. So close this bracket also, and upon you are left with what? Minus 3. So if you need to take 3 common there, you can take also, or you can express it 3 minus x square if you want to go for the cancellation. What I can do in the denominator, look at this. Can I express this 3 in terms of root 3 square? Of course, yes. Root 3 square, and this was minus x square only. This is not 3 anywhere. So this is your minus x square. So your denominator now again is lying there in the form of under root 3 minus x and under root 3 plus x. So if I'll change the sign, so inside the brackets you will left here with 3 root 3 plus x. I'm multiplying with minus, so only once I have to multiply. Then here I will left with what? Under root 3 minus x. Under root 3 minus x. When I multiply it by minus, negative will become plus, or plus will become minus, upon that is your under root 3 minus x into under root 3 plus x. So here now you can cancel it up. under root 3 minus x into under root 3 minus x. So finally you are left with 3 into under root 3x, 3 into under root 3x, 3 into under root 3 plus x, and upon under root 3 plus x, under root 3 plus x. So here you can leave your answer. Now this is factorized. So this is the way, a bit difficult, but just not from the examination point of view. Just I introduced because somewhere you have to do in class 10 also. Don't take it that much seriously. Just from the high order thinking point of view, and how to split the middle term in case of surd form. That was the point only to add this question to your assignment, so that you can prepare or can think from class 10 point of view also. That's all for today. And tomorrow I will start with coordinate. Yesterday, as I told you, I will start with linear equation in two variables. So before that, we need to complete the coordinate. So I will give you the instructions whatsoever are required to complete your exercise, as one or two exercises only are there in your coordinate. With those set of instructions, you all will be able to go through those exercise problems. Thank you.